Okay, so now let's explain that. Let's have some words, some phrases in Tagalog. How do you say these in English? I want to test you. Limbawa, sasabihin sa'yo, pakipila lang po dito, how can you translate that in English?
Can someone go to, I know the words kiwi or
Hmm?
Q, like
Q?
that.
Okay, so what will you say?
Can you please kiwi like that?
Can you please Q?
Q,
Queuing?
I Q like
Q?
that.
Here? Can be. Next one. Kuha ka, libre to. How can you say that in English?
I translate that to English is
This one first, the first sentence. Kuha ka, libre to.
get first, it's free.
Get first, it's free.
Yes.
Can be, okay? Next one. Hingi ako ng paumanhin sa kanya.
I want to say sorry. Like that.
I want to say sorry. What?
I want to say sorry to him or
To
her.
him. Can be. Okay. Right. Now, let's see. What are the English words? Pakipila lang po dito. Please form a line here.
Okay.
We don't really use the word queue. Right? But you're right. Queue is to fall in line. But the simplest way to say it is please form a line here. Get it? Okay. All right. Next one is kuha ka, libre to. What did you say? Get first.
Get first.
It's free.
It's free. I don't know.
Get one or get some. It's free. Okay. Get one or get some. It's free. Okay?
Okay.
The next one, you said, hihingi ako ng paumanhin sa kanya. What did you say?
I just want to say sorry to him.
I just want to say sorry to him. Okay. Or you can say, I'll apologize to him or her. The word apologize.
Yes.
Okay. Say sorry, apologize. But what you said is also correct. I cannot accept that. But that's a longer term, right?
Yes.
I will say sorry to him, okay? Or I'll apologize to him or her. Okay? So see